Roblox is down. How can you fix it and what can you do about it? That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So if Roblox is down, you can try the following steps. Check Roblox's official status. Visit the Roblox status page to see if there are any ongoing issues or maintenance updates. Verify your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. Sometimes the issue might be on your end. Restart the game. If you're experiencing issues in a specific game, try restarting it. If the entire Roblox platform is down, you'll have to wait for it to come back online. Social media and community. Check Roblox's official social media accounts and community forums for updates and announcements regarding the downtime. Contact Roblox support if the issue persists or you believe it's not a widespread problem. You can contact Roblox support for assistance. Wait patiently. In case of severe outages or maintenances, it's best to wait for Roblox to resolve the issue. They usually provide updates on the status page. Remember that downtime can happen due to various reasons, including maintenance, server issues, or updates. Patience and checking official channels for updates are often the best approach. So that was it for this video. That's how to deal with Roblox if it's down. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.